Hello and welcome to this Let's Compile video. Today we're looking at Tetris clones written in BASIC for Quick Basic, QBasic and QB64. QB64 is available on the internet freely at www.qb64.net. The source code for these are available at my website. This is actually written by Microsoft, so it's fairly, as you can expect, it is actually fairly well written and optimized for MS-DOS computers dating from the late 80s through to the mid 90s, really. So I'm going to make an exe. And there it is, QBlocks, 1.5 megabytes. From memory, this program runs in graphics mode, which will shrink down a bit. So here we are playing QBlocks 0. See, with Tetris, you know, it's a puzzle game, and you either get it or you don't. For me, I definitely do get it because I like puzzles. But you're supposed to leave very few gaps behind, and because it makes it sort of easy to see a line like that where you every line has a line of blocks, and if you can get a complete row, it gets rid of that row and you score points. I mean, for my money, this is actually pretty good because not only do I have the source code, I've also got, you know, a fairly enjoyable game that'll run on nearly any system. Okay, well, you get the idea. So I got 900 score at Q to quit. So really, yes. See, that's the good thing about Microsoft. They actually do things properly. You know, they ask you if you really want to do something. Which, you know, I remember in the days of Vista, there was a whole lot of questions being asked during fairly normal things that happen with an operating system, and they ask you if you really wanted to do it. So that's QBlocks. The next thing I think I'll show you is where is it? Yeah, WA Tetris, or yet another Tetris, programmed by William Yu, who I think organized the source packet. He was a keen BASIC programmer during the 1990s, as you can see, 97 here, and he's got some comments he's gone through, and let's have a look. Yeah, he's actually commented actually, well, this doesn't seem too heavily commented, but it's probably fairly efficient considering it could run on a computer that was already out of date by 1997. So here it is, yet another Tetris. It's in VGA mode. I like the way if you press down it speeds it up instead of dropping it completely. Because that means I can sneak blocks in like that. No sound effects. He chose to not use the PC speaker at all, which, I don't blame him for that, because the PC speaker is basically just a tone generator. If back in the 80s they had synthesizers and they sounded much better than tone generators. I wasn't getting very many ideal pieces there, which is why I'm sort of messing up this game a bit. But anyway, that's yet another Tetris. And this is yet another Tetris 2. We'll make a binary. EXE created. I think the point of this game is that it's two-player. So what I'll do is I'll hit a key here. Oh no. I'm the player on the right. So I suppose you're just supposed to get one of your friends around and play a game of Tetris. I mean, I can't really imagine myself doing that with one of my friends, because there's got to be more of a reason to get together than to play Tetris. I mean, but yeah, it's a classic game, and I think it's one of the better puzzle games, because when you think about puzzle games, they generally either require a computer or they don't. And with Tetris, it certainly does, and that makes it good as using the computer as a medium. Yeah. Okay, well that's pretty much all I was going to say, and thanks for watching this video. Have a nice day.